First, we forgot, before you even begin, you need to clean the surface off. And then something like this, I just use some water, damp cloth. If they're real bad, you might want to get serious about it. You don't want to use a whole lot of detergents or anything with a citrus flavor to it, because you want this to adhere. You don't want any additives other than what's already in the premix, and then just a clean dry surface. So a lot of times you'll be doing this in wood or plastic. And there's going to be different recommendations for different materials, but that's kind of how that works. Clean it off. Just like to get the dust off it. And here I'm kind of trying to demonstrate how to do this with a knife. I couldn't find a putty knife, but a drywall knife. Get the idea, kind of float that off. If you had another smaller one, you could get on a 45 and kind of cut it in. That makes a nice smooth flat surface on there, nice and even. On this side anyway, and then like I said, we'll wait a couple days and paint them if you so choose. And that's that.